Transferring money from Coinbase to a Bitcoin wallet involves sending your Bitcoin from Coinbase to an external wallet address. Here's how to do it. Log into Coinbase. Open the Coinbase app or website and log into your account. Access your Bitcoin wallet. Go to your portfolio tab to view your assets. Select Bitcoin from the list of cryptocurrencies you hold. Choose Send. Once inside your Bitcoin wallet, click the Send button. Get your Bitcoin wallet address. Open your Bitcoin wallet and find the Receive option to get your wallet address. Copy the wallet address carefully. Enter wallet address on Coinbase. In Coinbase, paste the copied Bitcoin wallet address in the designated field. Double-check the address to ensure it's correct, as sending Bitcoin to an incorrect address can result in the loss of your funds. Specify amount to send. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Confirm the transfer. Review the details and confirm the transaction. Coinbase may ask you to complete two-factor authentication for security. After confirmation, the transfer will process. It might take a few minutes for the transaction to complete.